Hey, Matt from Racks Galore, and this is the TRED GT Leveling Pack. It's an easy to use solution for keeping your caravan or camper trailer level no matter where you pull up. Giving you up to 115 millimeters of lift, helping you find that perfect balance point on uneven ground. And with the clever TRED link system, the whole package sticks together. So this is not only just the ramps, it's also the chocks and the anti-skid plates, and it all just clicks together and clicks apart, making it super simple and convenient to store and to grab it when you need it. So you've got one anti-skid plate, two anti-skid plates, three anti-skid plates, four anti-skid plates, and then if you simply pull it apart, you've now got your two ramps, and then on the back, the easiest way to do is just give it a hit and off pop the little wheel chucks. And that's how simple they are to use. So let me chuck one under the back wheel and I'll show you how easy these are to actually set up in the real world.
Yep.
Made right here in Australia, it does have a honeycombed reinforced structure, making it super strong, and it even has drainage holes for both water and sand. The chocks are also adjustable, really helping you dial in that perfect position. These aren't only good for caravans and camper trailers, they're also great if you've got a four-wheel drive with a rooftop tent, because finding level ground while you're camping can be really difficult. And so that is the TRED GT Leveling Pack, a compact, convenient solution that is built strong, which means that you can relax at the campsite.